Your first experiment is creating directories, adding files to directories, retrieving files. Okay, this part is over. Okay, we have created one Hadoop directory and we have created one local file. We try to add that file to your Hadoop directory. That part is over. Again, we retrieving the files. Again, if you want, we can get back the file. Okay, next one. How to deleting files and directories. Deleting files and directories. We are using recursive deletion. Okay, now I would like to delete Hadoop directory. Okay, next one. Next command. How to delete directories. Okay, just now we have created BGS directory. I want to delete that directory. Okay, how to delete this one? Third one. Deleting files and directories. Hadoop, you should go with command Hadoop recursive remover. Hadoop. If I go with rm command, I want to delete BGS. -rm Hadoop fs. It is giving me suggestion RMR. Instead of RM command, we go with RMR. RMR stands for recursive delete. If any subdirectories, if any files in the directory, it is completely removed. If only empty directory, RM is working. Now please focus here. If it is empty directory, RM is working. Inside directory, if any subfolder, any subdirectories, any files are available, RM doesn't support. In that case, we go with RMR. We go with command RMR Hadoop fs -rmr BGS. Now your Hadoop directory is removed. Now how to remove empty directory? If it is empty directory, Hadoop fs rm you can remove. How to remove directory with any subdirectories or files? Instead of rm, you go with rm. Hadoop fs -rmr your directory name. Deleted. Raise your hand. How many deleted successfully? If it is empty directory, how to delete? Only rm is sufficient. Only rm. Okay, next delete files. How to delete files? How to delete files? In my local directory, I have a sample.txt. But don't apply this remove directory command any system files. If you apply any system files, your Hadoop command is not working properly. Apply for only which are created by you. Don't apply system directories. If any system directory deleted, okay, your machine is not working properly. Okay, next, I want to remove sample.txt. rm sample.txt file. It will ask you if you want remove yes or no. We go with yes. Then your file will be removed. You can see before deletion I go for ls. I have a sample.txt file. I want to remove that file. How to remove? rm file name. It will ask in yes or no. Please type yes. Letter y. Now this is about your first experiment. How to create local files, how to create Hadoop directories, how to move local files to Hadoop directories, how to retrieve from Hadoop directories, how to delete normal files, how to delete Hadoop directories. Maybe focus. Sometimes it is virtual voice. It is only. Again,
that monkey has come, you close it.
go to the
He is falling on everyone. He is falling on everyone. Hitler.
Mommy, first experiment is over. First experiment is over. Creating local files, creating local files. No local files directories. Removing directories, removing files. Now you should go with all these commands for your first experiment, right? Shall I go with the next one?
Exercise questions shall not let 30 to 40 questions be given active in chapter. That is weekend. Numerical questions that is
Now if you want this document support, tomorrow only I will provide document support evening. Today I am not support. If I give it, everybody can answer. Just sitting and answer. Tomorrow only I will provide. Today, tomorrow you should do this practice. Tomorrow evening only I will provide your experiment. So don't say,
That is not easy. The management is not easy.
okay, don't do it. Next one, please note down, working with MapReduce program. Working with MapReduce program.
Reduce. Saying, learn all the 3 modules, don't depend on question bank. Next time ML1. Why stop? Why? Your voice squeezed you? No? Frustrated about the laptop? No?
Working with MapReduce.
I'll ask you them at last.
yes, I know.
You're saying to me, the textbook is like out on us. Okay, he told me to use
Because we don't know
if
anything outside.
your server paper is not included, that's it. The paper of mismatchment over we are mismatched. First you have to learn how to do problems. There are 80 types of problems. Gaussian, then afterwards LU, then PUCA, then LCA, then again
Coming to
then
your
weighted
is a five-node cluster. It contains name node, secondary name node, data nodes, job tracker. Your Hadoop is a 5-node cluster. It contains name node, secondary node nodes, job trackers. So this cluster will take the responsibility doing mapper, doing reducer. Okay, your Hadoop distributed file system, whatever the data you are getting, so this data is going to be mapper stage and reducer stage. So there the data is available in data nodes. Basically, you are getting the packets from data node. The name node cluster try to execute this complete cluster. So basically our job is submitted. Our job contains driver code, mapper code, reducer code. Okay, our job contains driver code, mapper code, reducer code. So what is this driver code? This driver code contains configuration information. So what is this configuration information? It is contains, okay, which file we are using, main Java program, which Java program we are using, mapper program, which Java program we are using as reducer program, what will be the input output format of mapper program, what would be the input output format of the reducer program. So all this information is maintained in your driver code. Your driver code is contain configuration details. What is configuration details? The details about mapper program, the details about reducer program, the details about main program, the details about where is your input is available, the details about where should I want to display output, the details about input output format. Okay, the mapper program contains how to map your data. The reducer program contains how to reduce the file output, any sum, any product or any reduce outputs. Okay, your job contains driver node, driver code, mapper code and reducer code. So here this is your data, that your data could be handled by all your records are distributed data nodes. Each individual data node, the cluster will be executing that try to process your data. I don't want to go too much detail. Directly we go to experiment of first we do sample experiment. Word count program. All of you note down. Word count program. Word count program. Word count program. WORD word count program. Word count program using map reduce. We try to map all words, singular words as a group in mapper stage. In reducer stage, we want to count how many number of words. All of you open. Now open your Eclipse. All of you open your Eclipse here. Open Eclipse. Now please open your Eclipse. In this Eclipse only, we try to write mapper program, reducer program, driver program. And we create a jar file and we try to execute that jar file using Hadoop commands. Now the Eclipse is open, everyone. Expand training folder. I expand training folder. Now follow my instructions carefully. If you want to do parallel, you can do parallel. Otherwise, simply note down. We can practice later. Okay. First, please note down. We attach Hadoop jar files. First, what should we do? Attach Hadoop jar files. YouTube fan, my voice is good. Now first attach Hadoop jar file. Okay, how to attach Hadoop jar file? Please focus here. If you are capable, you can do parallel. So they are little bit confusion. Okay, please just focus. You can do later. Okay, right click here on the source. Right click on the source. Build path. Configure build path. Right click on the source. Go to build path. Build path. Configure build path. Now you got like this. Okay, now click on libraries. You should click on libraries. Here we should, okay, here what we are doing here, we are writing one mapper program, we are writing one reducer program. So who will take responsibility to execute this mapper reducer? Only your system should contain Hadoop software. Your system should contain Hadoop jar software files. Okay, first we attach your Hadoop libraries here. Add external jars. Add. You should click on add external jars. Then go to Hadoop. You are able to see here Hadoop core jar file. You are able to see here Hadoop core jar file. Okay, this jar file takes the responsibility to execute our MapReduce program. This jar file takes the responsibility to support all libraries in your mapper program, in your reducer program. Okay, I will repeat again. I try to repeat here again. So right click source, build path, configure build path, libraries, add external jars, then go to Hadoop library, Hadoop file, Hadoop folder. Here you should select Hadoop core jar file, Hadoop core jar file, then click OK. Again click OK. Okay, now we attach Hadoop libraries. All Hadoop libraries are attached here. Okay, create one driver code, mapper code, reducer code. Shall I continue? Please focus. If you are not doing, at least note down steps. This is only your experiment. What you are not doing steps, that steps are nothing but you will have experiment.
This is again important lab. They will keep internals.
Keep the Hadoop, but something else can. When you do
I'm saying now this is for cloud era, it is virtual. You can't do like half shift, how fast is the window of electricity. Look at what it needs time to load. Try it faster, please complete it. You will not listening here, you will not write it. Both are not doing. Today you are frustrated, I am.
Okay, create. Okay, next step, create driver program, create mapper program, create reducer program. Okay, first we create dummy program, next we get code. Okay, now please focus. Okay, first create driver program. Click on source, right click, new Java class file. Java class file. Okay, the class file name. Word count. This is our driver program. Word count. W capital letter, C capital letter. Okay, I will repeat again. How to create driver? Right click here. New class file. Name. W capital. Word count. Word count. WORD COUNT. W capital letter, C capital letter. Then click finish. Okay, you got one driver. Okay, we will get code later. First we create template first. Next one more file. Again right click here. New class.
again right click. SRC.
And Now open Word Mapper, WORD Mapper, Word Mapper. Word count, word mapper. Now we will get ready. Already code is there. We will get and change 5 minutes. That's it. Okay, finish. Next here, reducer. Word reducer. Right click, new, class file. Word reducer. Finish. Now you have one driver program, one mapper program, one reducer program. Okay, if any extra, please remove. Any extra files here, okay, these are extra files, remove, right click, delete this one. Right click, delete this one. Right click, delete this one. It contains only word count, word mapper, word reducer.
Watch
will be if you go iWatch now, you get the mouse also long. That's why I'm already teacher. First we go with iWatch. Okay, next we try slowly. If you type one command, it will take 10 minutes. Require minimum 2 TB capacity and high-end RAM.
Whatever you like, do it your work. It is more intelligent than us. Whole systems are working, whole system is not working.
Shall I continue?
I am already educated. No, we are not educated. Let's say educated.
First method Hadoop
No, we are not. Both write same copy of the page, you'll get to know. Same version, same assignment. But you will only get first you will only get she'll be safe because your number will go first.
I'll go do my
Intelligent level number.
But shall I continue? Or just focus here. Okay, if you still have those, next explain. We will go through. Okay. Okay, I have already created. Okay, open browser. Check with my blog. Now open Google in your browser. Check with Hadoop.
This is like Purana columns.
Hadoop pod, Blogspot. Check with blog, Hadoop pod, Blogspot. Now check with my blog. The sample codes are available in my blog. We want to check.
Oh, this is his
Please
own
open blog.
He has prepared his own blog. Say
Hadoopod.blogspot.com.
his own blog.
Hadoopod.blogspot.com.
Spot.
Please open this blog. In this blog, we want to check MapReduce in Cloudera. Please search for MapReduce in Cloudera.
Where is it?
Now please open my blog hadoopod.blogspot.com and search for MapReduce in Cloudera. You will get how to perform MapReduce in Cloudera step-by-step process. Otherwise available 2017. You should go 2017 February. Now check with MapReduce program
POT
execution
blog
in
or
Cloudera.
this one first one.
In my blog search MapReduce program execution in Cloudera. MapReduce program execution in Cloudera. I have kept all steps how to execute MapReduce program step by step procedure. Otherwise go with 2017. If you open my 2017 course, you are able to
What is it? MapReduce program.
Okay, now we are following these steps. Kept all steps how to execute MapReduce program in Cloudera, right? You just go through these steps. So first you create one map driver program. You should create all these programs and create a jar file. After creating jar file, we try to execute jar file. Okay, before going that one. Okay.
What did he say?
Are you able to see word count program here? Word count.java. Copy this program and paste your Eclipse. Copy this program. Copy this word count program.
Execution in
After execution, I will explain. Copy this one. Then go to your Eclipse. Overwrite here. Control D. Paste here. Next, mapper program. Go here. Word mapper. Copy this one.
Okay, copy.
Then go to Eclipse. Paste here. Next, reducer.
Where is it?
Okay, here some reducer. You should change the name word reducer. Here program name is some reducer. You should change word reducer. Copy. Paste here. Okay, your reducer name is word reducer. Instead of change this one word reducer. Here reducer name is word reducer. Okay, your driver program is ready, mapper program is ready, reducer program is ready.
Where is reducer? How to change word reducer? That's all.
Summer by remove summer. Next say those two also. Word count also. Java will not leave up. Lifelong will get Java. Set now. So here some we have to write word. Our error went. That's why we should learn instead of learning program. We should learn how to debug the errors. Life will be settled.
You open Windows. You open my blog in your Windows. This is your Windows. You should open in a virtual machine. Window doesn't support. If you copy anything in window, these Linux one. It doesn't work. If you copy anything else, that's it.
I don't know why people will do experiments. Instead of suddenly doing experiments, she's opening Google. We don't Firefox. That's why we should not do experiments. We should calm down. Right in 30, 31, 1. 30, 31. Holiday. Sunday, Monday. Holiday. I want it to be sleep. No. I want it very
What should I continue? What should I am doing? You should focus. I will give time. Next program you can do. Okay, getting my driver program here, getting my mapper program here, getting reducer program here. Okay, change the name. The name should be here, word count only. Here the class name should be word mapper only. Here class name should be word reducer only. If any name, please change those names. In driver code, okay. In the driver code also, your mapper name is word mapper, reducer name word reducer. You can see here, this is your driver code. I already told. What your driver code contains? Your driver code contains configuration information. What is this configuration information? It contains, okay, which class file you are using mapper program, which class file you are using reducer program, what would be the input output format of mapper program, what would be the input output format of the reducer program, from where you are getting input, from where you want to display output. This information is maintained here. Okay, now I will execute sample program. Shall I continue? Okay, next step, please note down, create a jar file. Next step, create a jar file. Create a jar file. Okay, how to create a jar file? Jar file means I want to pack all these files. I want to pack reducer, pack mapper, pack driver. I want to pack everything into jar file. Okay, how to create jar file? Please focus here. Right click here. Right click. Export. Export.
Right click on SRC.
Java. Jar file. Java. Jar file. Next.
Next jar file.
Which path? I want training path only. Okay, my jar file name is WC. My jar file name is WC. Click OK. Next. Okay, you can tick mark export Java source files and resources. Tick mark export generated files. Tick mark export Java source files and resources. 1 minute. Then click next and finish. Okay, now you got one jar file. You can check ls command. You are able to get one jar file here. You are able to see one jar file here. wc.jar. Okay, I proceed now.
Java jar file. Next.
Yeah, Harika.
Next jar.
Also one small announcement.
Jar file.
Okay, everybody please assemble to the auditorium at 1:45 today. We'll be launching the hackathon. It's only 10 minutes event with flash mob, nothing else. Only one dance. Yeah, you.
Right, WC.
Come on.
WC.
For driver, mapper, reducer is ready. Okay, how to create jar file? Shall I repeat again the entire process? Or shall I repeat again the entire process? Okay, I will repeat again. Okay, I remove everything here. Please focus. I remove this
Say
one.
complete this fast and you focus over there.
Remove this one. Remove this one. Close this one. By repeating again, please focus. Okay, first open your Eclipse. You can maximize. First open your Eclipse. Go to your training source. Attach Hadoop jar file. I am repeating again. Please focus. I don't repeat next time. Attach jar file. How to attach jar file? How to attach Hadoop library? Right click. Build path. Configure build path. Libraries. Add external jar files. Add external jar files. Hadoop folder. We want Hadoop jar file. And click Hadoop core jar file here. Click on Hadoop core jar file. For what? Why should we require this one? If you want to execute mapper program, reducer program, it requires libraries. All those libraries are available here. All mapper and reducer libraries available in this jar file only. First attach this one, right? Click OK. Okay, next create one.
Where is that
Right click here, new
that command from
class file. First one, word count, WORD COUNT. Word count. Finish.
He is saying from first to beginning.
Next create word mapper. Right click, new
Because we made a jar file.
class file. W capital WORD mapper. MAPPER. Word mapper. Next create one more. Word reducer. W capital. Okay, word reducer. Okay, we got one driver program, we got one mapper, we got an reducer. Okay, the code is available in my blog. You should go my blog.
How to do? Studying from beginning. From
In
beginning.
my blog, search for MapReduce program in Cloudera. In my blog, search for MapReduce program execution in Cloudera. You got all steps. MapReduce program. Here we go. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. This is driver program, right? Copy this driver program. Copy like this. Copy. Copy. Go your Eclipse. Overwrite here. You should select Enter. Control V. Next, mapper. Copy mapper program. Right click, copy. Go here. Overwrite here. Next, reducer. Reducer program. Copy this one. And overwrite here.
Even some error is there in the first programs. That's what
And
God
please check. Okay, the
Check.
driver name should be one. Mapper name should be one mapper. Reducer name should be what? If any other name, we should modify that name.
Hey,
Okay,
just to make jar file.
I will work out everything. Please follow my instructions carefully. Here what reducer, but here some reducer. Remove some here, keep home. Okay, your errors will be left. Again word count. Here some reducer. Make this one word reducer.
Then other right?
Save all. No errors. Go 2017. Now if you are unable to get it, first go to 2017 RG. Let's go to recovery RG. First go to 2017 RG. Let's go to first you want
Junior Vision Technology man.
first anybody have got this come here. First you have job.
Can you phone? No, no, it's not. 10 or 12
Then
letters.
I'm like that empty. Oh my goodness. That day also I came waste Saturday. I didn't get. They simply waste. Nothing they did. But you were just looking eye to eye everyone. That's all. He was roaming there and here and there.
One slap, someone should do it.
No, you're just nothing. No place. They're just a container. In first period, we get containers. By 10:30, we could have gone.
We did not have class till 11, 12. So long also was on.
I stayed here till 11:30 years.
What about you, Shah? Anyhow, you will pass in last minute, you know, your trip. We don't have that. Me sitting in that front car, Kirtana sitting in this car.
I was sitting in the first bench.
But first bench also.
That first bench, second bench.
Kirtana. We sit in the last, this side. She is sit down there and chill. What about
That is the area. You don't have.
we don't have that, so we say.
You should show.
No. We don't wanted to show in these kind of areas. We show in different kind of areas.
She has that and Papa, you are thinking she's innocent. She will carry everywhere. I made small indicative one. She made
Podium only.
Because I can't open it next to that podium. I can't
You save your money instead of spending on all your products. You will become rich, and especially food.
controlling hashtag.
You not last week only you went with your boy and you had shawarma and came back. This money also, your money also, you are coming also, no? Where it is going?
Yes. I won't ask you. My last name is Papa. I won't ask you Papa. You should come from where? Why Papa?
You are not Papa. Only your boy is Papa.
People stay here only. Next to me.
This is too much.
Even if I say you people are not Papa, I am also not Papa for me. Because I said you people are we can call you God. I did. You God. Yeah, I did. You God. See, I reaction you God. You are talking.
She's talking, she's executing, she's writing, she's multitasking. Serious discussion. Change it into jar file. Click on CR click, double click. Double click I'm saying no. Click on it, you will get right click. Export
Next, okay, create your execute sample program. Next program you will try.
Java.
Okay, clear jar file. How to clear jar file? Source, right click, export, Java, jar file. Next, browse. Okay, training directory only. Okay, our jar file name is WC1. Our jar file name is WC1. Okay. Finish. Where should we verify our jar file? Where should we verify our jar file? You should go here, click ls command. You are able to see your jar file here. And now execute your program. For next step, how to execute MapReduce program. Okay, yourself create, follow the instructions you can do later. Okay, how to execute MapReduce program. Or create one local file, cat input.txt. I
Next, what to do, Venkata? Browse.
Go to
you should create one sample input file, cat greater than input.txt. For next program I will give you time. This one follow instructions, note down everything. You do later. So first create one input file, and you should keep this input file in your Hadoop directory. You should keep this input file in your Hadoop directory. How to keep this file into your Hadoop directory? Which command? We did previous. Hadoop fs -put. Hadoop fs -put input.txt. Your Hadoop directory is bgs. Your Hadoop directory is bgs. Now execute MapReduce program. Command is Hadoop jar. Your jar file name is wc1.jar. Okay. And now execute Hadoop MapReduce Hadoop jar. Your jar file name. Next, your driver name. Who is driver name? Nothing but your word count. In your jar file, word count program is nothing but your driver. Your driver name. Hadoop. This is process how to execute. I will repeat it. This is process how to execute Hadoop program. Hadoop jar file name, driver name, input. Your input is available Hadoop directory. Your input is available here. Output directory. I want display output here. Now, Hadoop jar file name, driver name, input part, output part. Your input is available in Hadoop directory. Output is available. I want to create new output directory OP1. Everything is okay.
that
Your
one
jar
is
file will be
browser.
executed.
Write WC. Click on this. Next. Finish. Now go to this terminal. Write ls. Now you have got WCC. Then afterwards command whatever you have told.
I will repeat again.
Then you have not created correctly. Check. Top maybe you have given class like that only. Check.
OP1 or OPL, that is?
OP1.
What to do, Meghana? ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದೈತಾ ಜಾರ್ಫೆಲ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಓಪನ್ WC small letter WC where this fellow sent to this
Please come here.
ಬೃಂದ ಬೃಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಪಿಚ್ ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾವು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಬೇರೆ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ CS, IS, AIDS ಒಂದೇ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್, ಆದರೆ ಅವರು ಬರೀ 2 ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಾನು 2.5 ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನೇನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಓದ್ತೀರಾ ಓದ್ಕೊಂತೀರ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರ
ಈಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು ಅದ್ರ ಜೀವ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನೋ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಏನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
So you put it in question bank, everyone will study that only. We will only find answers and try to
ಈಗ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಾಯಿ ಆ ಥರ ನಡೀತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬುಧವಾರ 2 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಆ ಥರ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾರ ಬರಲಿ ನಾನು ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆರಾಮ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
So you include everything in the question bank. We will study everything. Every question bank
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಥರ
Sir, every college is giving, sir. SVIT, sir, I'll open now only in SVIT.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್
They are opening and they are giving notes to everyone, sir, publicly.
Why you
Everyone
give-
teachers are saying this question only.
ವೈ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್
We need, because that much syllabus is there, you cover only in this much period of
In the
time.
exam,
Exam we have to study. In exam also we have only question banks. But that also we have model question papers. We'll get important questions, model question papers. From 60% of it will come from there only. Only 40% we have to learn from textbook and our own general knowledge we have to apply.
ಆಯ್ತು ಆಯ್ತು ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು 5-10 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು
ಯಾವುದು
5 ಡೇಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಇದ್ದು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಹಾಂ ಆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಥರ ಟೇಬಲ್
Even fractal analysis is also there, sir.
ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ
So what is your assignment, sir?
ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟು
That's what you tell now only, sir, because we get 2 days holiday, we'll sit and write everything after internals and
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎನಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು
Sunday and Monday morning
ರೈಟ್ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್
after internals. So we'll sit and write all the
ಯಾರಿಗೆ
assignments.
ಒಂದು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದು
Everyone putting some dialogue, the notes are not there. I'll throw them out, sir. SVIT, the global institution, Cambridge, everyone has kept worldwide opening website. These people putting all BTU resources paper, they're changing their names and they're putting as if they're creating new notes for us. They're not putting to here. Why you need it? Google only will tell half of it. That new inventing we have to talk. Anyone of your friends you have? Yes, we have to get question bank. We can't declare. We got to make three departments are preparing the paper. Now our paper will not select. Unfortunately, we will not select because of seeing the question bank. We will get from allotment. Abdullah has given paper. We can't expect. IS we don't have. So the international number one candidate. Oh, it's communication with everyone. Before anywhere frustrated, not coming. Some of them no one will. How? When is our pressure day? 9:30. Brinda, you're not know from anyone from ISC department, 6th semester, if you know anyone, no, ask them question bank of ML.
Nobody sending anything.
They are not also sending. So war is happening in our country. Tejashwini in between has told that if you have rights, put patent. Over.
If you see messages, if you give a name,
Tejashwini, they told some Jambola or something. So,
Chota Bhim
after that, what happened is they were putting something after. Then she told, I'll put 4 and you put select. Okay. They told, this is correct, the other way. So in between she told, if it's correct, don't need to prove it again and again. So then she wrote, don't if you wanted to prove it right, put it as a patent. We were like, why we wanted to put this patent there? People are gone crazy. I don't know what the sir is teaching us. 2 programs we did not complete. When we will complete, what we will do?
and last will be that's it.
You want to leave off and you'll go. Bye-bye, Kaka, you say and you'll go. We should also try out this. We have to grow, what do you say, microbes and good for health.
Microlights, right?
Good for health, Shah.
Still anyone issues? So getting output? Wait one second. You can get up. All of you come here, this way. Once your program is ready now. ls, okay, your jar file is wct jar. Okay, first you create, okay, first you keep input in Hadoop directory. Hadoop fs -ls. Okay, your Hadoop directory name is BGS is available. I want to keep this text file into BGS. Hadoop fs -put. Your text file is you have created. Okay, I want to check information. Cat input.txt. Any data here? Okay, right. Hadoop fs -put this input file BGS. Already some issue. Okay, Hadoop fs. We create one more directory BG. We want to keep in this directory. Hadoop fs -put input.txt BG. Okay, I want to check the data is available or not. fs -ls BG. You can expand BG. In BG, your input file is available. Okay, this is your input. Okay, now execute your jar file. Hadoop jar
Your jar file name is wc.jar. Hadoop jar file name followed by driver name. Your driver name is word count. Your driver name is word count. Okay. Input path, output path. Your input is available here. BG. Your input is available in Hadoop directory. I want create one output folder, OP1. Okay, your MapRedge is executing. Getting in map stage, what is happening? All highs will be one group. All hellos will be one group. Reducing, you got high count, hello count. Okay, then it will take time. Everything is okay. You got 100%. Map should be 100%. Reducer should be 100% only. Successfully your program executed. Okay, map 0, reduce 0. Wait. Map stage is over. Grouping is over. All highs are grouped. All hellos are grouped. Now reducing started. Reducing also over. So your output is available. OP1. You go and check OP1. Hadoop. FS, LS, OP1. You got 3 files. One success file, one log file, one partition file. In partition file only, you have your final output. Okay, how to open this one? Hadoop, fs-cat, bg, OP1. How many zeros here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our output. Done. Please execute. Follow these all commands. Slower and execute.
Why you people don't like my bottle? I don't like it. She's bringing iPhone and all. Put it in her foot, no? From where, Meghana? From here he has done, say. Why you wanted to go so down? Down. See, from here. We started from here. No deck. See.
You should keep this file in this
Hadoop OSLS. He has done from here. Input LS is there. BG have done.
Hadoop jar, word count.
Oh, you kept it. One thing you do, right? Just to it will not work. This is
create one more output here given. Create
capital C. Enter. It should give 100% reduce, map reduce 100%, and both should become 100%. Then you get an output. Completed. It is completed. Now write Hadoop fs.ls.opp. Hadoop fs hyphen ls then op1. Enter. You get 3 files here. Always the output will be in part 005. Always there when you create. Now you write Hadoop fs-cat to open that file. fs cat opt1 slash cat part then dash 5 zeros. Enter. Over. Not much.
Your output is our.
That's how what map reducer is. What is that tsunami?
Students, listen here. Hello. Everybody is new.
Let us get 500.
He's in Gavin's group now.
We all are speaking Korean. And his friend Pasta them went till there. They I used to say go speak. He prioritized Papa.